Hi, today I'll be doing a detailed review of Liven, an app that sits somewhere between a digital journal, a self-improvement coach, and a mental wellness companion. But the real question is Liven actually useful as a digital well-being journal, or is it just another overhyped self-help app? Well, let's get started. Liven is designed as a self-discovery and emotional well-being companion app. Instead of being just a simple journal where you write notes or a meditation app where you follow guided sessions, Liven tries to combine multiple tools into one system. At its core, the app focuses on helping users to understand their emotions, track mental and behavioral patterns, build healthier habits, reduce stress and overthinking, and improve self-awareness over time. The platform is built using psychology-based methods like cognitive behavioral therapy principles and behavioral science ideas. This means it focuses on how your thoughts, emotions, and actions are connected. Now, let us talk about the main features of the Liven app. Guided journaling. This is one of the core tools. You can write your thoughts freely, but instead of just storing them, Liven helps you reflect on them. It encourages you to break down your emotions, identify triggers, and understand why you feel a certain way. Think of it like journaling, but with feedback built in. Next is mood tracking. Every day you can log how you feel, and over time, the app builds a pattern of your emotional state. So instead of guessing, why am I feeling off? It shows trends like you feel worse on certain days, stress increases at specific times, and certain habits affect your mood. This makes your emotions more visible and easier to understand. There's also a personalized self-discovery plan. This is one of the biggest features. After your initial assessments, Liven creates a structured journey for you. So instead of random tips, you get step-by-step lessons, daily tasks, and reflection exercises. It's basically a guided roadmap for emotional growth. And there's the AI companion. Liven has a built-in AI companion. You can chat with it when you're stressed, when you're overthinking, or you need emotional support. It responds in a reflective, coaching-style way rather than just giving quick advice. Think of it as a mental check-in buddy that is available anytime. Let us also talk about the calming tools. The app also includes relaxing sounds, focus music, and breathing and calming exercises. These tools are designed to help regulate your emotions when you feel overwhelmed. Then there's learning content. There are short lessons and insights around stress management, habits, motivation, and emotional awareness. So it's not just tracking, it's also teaching. What is the pricing like? He uses a subscription model. It is free to download, for example, from App Store and install, but you have the in-app purchases. Yes, you can level up to a coaching style where you can get more benefits from the app, but it's free to download. What are the pros and cons of using Liven? First, the pros. Strong personalization based on your emotional patterns. It combines journaling, mood tracking, AI support, and lessons in one app. It helps improve self-awareness over time. It has a clean and easy to use interface and always available AI companion for reflection and support. And the cons? The subscription can feel expensive compared to basic journaling apps. It's not a replacement for therapy or professional mental health. So, is Liven actually worth it? Well, the answer is it depends on what you're expecting. If you're expecting something that transforms your mindset overnight, no, this is not the kind of app. But if you're someone who enjoys journaling, self-reflection, or personal development tools, then Liven can actually be very helpful. At its best, Liven works as a digital well-being journal with structure and guidance, not just a blank space for writing thoughts. And that's it on the review of Liven app. If you're looking to try other alternatives, you may explore Day One Journal, Stoic, and Reflectly. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and share if you found it helpful, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more updates.